Kia ora everyone, namaste. Yeah, so we've got some levers here. Awesome. Going to replace the brake lever and clutch lever on the Triumph Speed 400. So as per last time, never done it before. First time, I'm a newbie, but enjoy. Hopefully it gives you some confidence to do the same. All right, cheers, let's do this. Tools wise, I've just got some flathead screwdrivers, 10mm socket and drivers, a couple of things to apply some grease, and yeah, pretty simple. Also got a selection of cloths and my gloves. All right, let's do this. Or did I say that? Yes, I did. Okay, so that's the original lever. We're going to go into here and look at removing it from this area here. And underneath that nut there is what we're going to loosen up with a 10mm socket. Yeah, maybe a tripod one day. Now we will just remove this with a flathead screwdriver. Beautiful. Keep everything nice and neat again, as always. Wow, easy as. Well, we're going to clean all that grease off, just wipe it off with a nice clean cloth, and then we'll reapply fresh new grease. And see the grease here, we're going to get all that off too, wipe it all clean and put new grease in there too. Otherwise it's just a hideous connection. So important. Wow. Yeah, I'll give this a good clean and I'll show you it all cleaned up. And yeah. Okay, and I've greased all in here, all the moving parts in there, on top of there. That's going to help it all, just this touch point just moves so beautifully. Oh, looks like a lot of grease. We'll clean that up soon. Now I will grease the nut and bolt, the nut that goes in, and screw it up. A little bit of grease on this because that's going through that hole. Oh, yep, that's good. All greased up, ready to go. Okay, that's through to the other side, and I've hand threaded it a little bit. Now I will screw it in and put the nut on the other side. And it looks like I need a bit of a clean up too. Okay, and just make sure it's all lined up straight perfectly. Nothing should be forced. It should just ultimately fit in nice and snug. Okay. Now that is screwed down, I will go to the underside and screw the nut on. And you can see the underside there, so that's come through beautifully. I can see there's a lot of grease there. That's a good thing. All right, I'll get the nut on and show you. Boom. Wow, this is looking really good, really cool. And it actually can be, with this bit here, woo, this lever can come in closer for if you have shorter fingers as well. This is such an important touch point to be really set up perfectly for you. So yeah, this is a great improvement by far. Now I'll get onto the clutch lever, which is going to be pretty much the same, just has the cable bit. So what I'll do is I'll just show you the cable bit and anything that seems quite different from the brake bit. So far so good though. I will wind the adjuster in and let you see the difference. Okay, so that should show it. That's wound all the way in, so it gives you a good idea of how close you can get it for the shorter fingers and then further out. So yeah, it's going to be fantastic. Okay, so awesome peeps. I'm going to do the clutch lever next. Same principle as the brake lever. Going to just undo this bolt here with a flathead screwdriver. On the bottom is a nut. It's actually an 8mm, slightly smaller. I don't know what the logic is, but there will be a very good reason why these nuts are different sizes. And undo that. I'll take it out and I'll show you what's necessary, like the cable connection, etc. But I won't show you everything else because it's pretty much the same. You know, disassemble, clean the grease off, re-grease it, and reassemble. And I'll just touch on whatever's different for the clutch from the brake lever. All right, hope you're enjoying it. Good times. Bit of grease just in here where the moving parts are, top and bottom. And same with here, top and bottom. Oops. Bzzz. Cool, so there's the new levers. That look awesome. Looks good, looks great. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and thanks Mark for your help from Moto Culture. Quick recap, all done. Brake lever, clutch